Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is full of clips collected from all through our first week in Canada. Hope you all like it. If you have not yet subscribed, do sure subscribe, like, share and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get started. When we entered Canada, it was midnight. We stayed in Windsor. That night we stayed over there, and next day we started to move towards our final destination. It was in and around somewhere near Toronto. I am not exactly telling you where we are going. It was a very chilly weather. The weather there, it was too cold. We stopped for coffee and some snacks too. On that very spot we saw that as like America runs on Dunkin's, here it is Canada runs on Tim Hortons. I feel so because we saw so many Tim Hortons coffee stop. At the same time we find this Popeyes, which is halal food chain. This is Louisiana fried chicken. They have lot of varieties there. It was very tasty as well. Finally we reached the hotel, and this is Home2 Suites, and here this is going to be our one full week house for us. So after having a big move from one country to another, we had fully stressed out mentally, physically as well as emotionally, so we needed a big break. We will one full week we are going to just relax. Relaxing doesn't mean that fully we are going to relax. We will finish up so many works which we will be not able to do when we get busy in other works. So we will be first changing our driver's license from US driver's license to Canadian license. Then we have to go and create a SIN number, like how you will have in US you have SSN. Like that in Canada you have to create your SIN number as well as create a bank account, and also you will be creating a health card. All these work you need lot of time and lot of paperwork to be done, so this time we will be utilizing for creating all those stuff. At the same time we also have to contact the school where kids have to go, but here now it is fully virtual, so it is getting little bit delayed. We will do that also quickly. And also this time we enjoyed all different type of cuisine. We are going to enjoy all through our stay over here. What all different cuisines are here. Mostly we saw even Mediterranean restaurants as well as our Indian restaurants. A lot of halal eateries are also available for us. We are happy, and kids are enjoying them more. On the day we arrived this room, it was New Year Eve, and it was a wonderful eve with nice snow falling outside. You can see how bright and wonderful snowfall. It was very happy to see the snowfall, and it's a very good start for us in the new place. As the weather was very cold, it was minus 14 degrees centigrade, I can say, not Fahrenheit. It was very cold. It was freezing. Last night we left a bottle of water in the car. You can see how frozen it is, and you can see our windshield was also fully frozen. We scraped it. Still we don't know how to handle it properly. We are just doing as we are able to do things. We were just waiting for the ice to melt from our windshield, and also you can see the car how dirty it looks. When we were coming from US to Canada, we just cleaned our car very nicely and gave for a polish wash and all everything. But as we arrived here, when it is snowing, all cars look the same way. When you drive in snow, it will be like that only. One more important thing I forgot to tell, what we were going to do in this week was shopping. Shopping means it is the weather appropriate jackets, boots and gloves and other gearing up things we are going to shop today. The weather was very cold. Any point of time kids have to go to school, so they should have weather appropriate jacket, boots and gloves. So today we are going to be done with that. You can see how cold the weather is. We were just having fun even when we were sitting out in this cold weather. In this mall, everywhere it was very strict. Only 10 or 15 people are allowed inside. Only when one person leaves out, the other person can enter. So they were very particular about the numbers inside the shop because the COVID numbers were increasing here. Already schools are virtual. Now let's come to the currency. These all are US dollars. These are paper currency. Now these are Canadian dollars and this is nothing but plastic currency. These all, you can see these leaves all are nice, flashy and jazzy. We were so surprised to see them. They were so beautiful to look at also. They all are plastic papers. They are not simply paper, they are plastic. Whereas these US dollars are paper currency. They can easily be torn, or if it goes inside the washing machine, they will be washed off. But these Canadian dollars, they will be very safe. They are not going to get washed off or torn, or it is very safe. That was very nice to look at also. Like how these paper currencies are nice, flashy and jazzy and nice, silky smooth to touch. These plastic, the same way even coins were very happy to hold them. They are full golden coins. You will feel like you are having gold coins in your hand. This is the $1 Canadian dollar it is, whereas US dollars and quarters, everything will be in silver color. Few will be in copper also, but mostly will be in silver color. Most important different thing what we saw which taken aback, we cannot accept the change, was when we went to Costco. When we went to Costco, we saw a lot of different things. The Costco, different products are different over here. Everything is different, not like US. What you see there, you will have here. No. Likewise, one important thing, you can see these, what you can guess, these are milk packets. Whereas in US, you will get milk cans. We are not at all used to handling packets. At first moment we were very much disappointed and we don't know what to do, how to handle this, or milk packets was a big thought first when we saw. Because if you were in US, you all will know that we will have big cans. We never have to have any other jar or something to hold these packets. Now it's a big issue. We were thinking what to do. When we inquired with a friend, he told that in any shop you go, you will get a picture, milk picture, to keep these milk packets. Then we found that too. Another difference, I didn't find the sugar what we buy in Costco itself. I never buy white sugar. This is white sugar. I had to buy, no other go. Otherwise, I used to buy brown sugar. To get started our daily life, we had to go to Costco. Costco is the one stop where you can buy all things in bulk and get started with your day-to-day life. Finally, on the way itself, we found this picture. This is milk picture. You will get here in everywhere. We bought it from Dollarama, and like this, you will have to store your milk. You can cut the packet, use it, and keep the same jar in your fridge. It's so easy. Seeing these packets, we just extremely got happy, got reminded of how we used to use the milk packets in our country, India. Finally, one thing made us remind of our country is that milk packet. Thanks to the milk packet. Hope you all enjoyed the video of differences we found in two countries. Keep watching for more videos from our new location. Until then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye.